me for your check-in. It's going to be our VIP area, Diamond Club. I'm gonna take you there, okay?
Okay.
Follow the leader.
So there's the pool area, little bar, drinks. This area is reserved for guests of Diamond Club. Okay, so this is this morning's breakfast. We were running kind of late because we went to the beach.
I'll show you guys the lineup.
But I got a donut and looks like a raspberry Danish. Some orange, hash browns, French toast. Then we got some watermelon. She thought that was soursop, but I don't think so. Orange. Brown sausage,
Crepes, churros, fried salami, fried cheese, and some hash browns.
Alright, y'all, so I'm leaving out of the room. Came back to get some money, some YouTube cards. Lindsay's at the pool right now. Hotel is only about 2 levels, no elevators. I guess they're being efficient. Being in the, so we've been in the Diamond Club. We have our own bar, you could say, with little refreshments. That's where I'm going to now. Grab me and Lindsay 2 more drinks. And then she's at the pool, so I'm gonna stop by there. So here it is right here. Hola. I'm gonna take 2 more drinks to go. Another margarita and then another Jameson.
Margarita and Jameson Coke.
Yep.
To go.
Yes. See. Oh, thank you. We got coffee, premium bar, refreshments. setting. And Lindsay's over there at the pool. Seat. So when you give them the tip, put the card inside. So I mean, most people in foreign countries, since we do a lot of vlogs, they'll end up on the blog. So we've had people, when we get back home and we upload the vlogs, actually comment on the videos, seeing themselves. It's pretty cool. Oh no, I'm good. Sitting in the middle section though. Alright, so right now we are headed to the beach. We're having dinner on the beach, so.
Oh, they even lit the candle for us.
Oh, alright, well, stay with us. We'll change the view. So, just while we're approaching, we saw this last night, but we got here kind of late, so we couldn't really celebrate Nancy's birthday how we wanted to. We ended up having dinner at the buffet, so we didn't even really take pictures or anything like that, but as you can see, they got everything set up. I don't know where we're supposed to sit. You want to walk over there, Chris?
Where?
To them?
Can you?
So they got 2 different tables set up. So I'm gonna see which one is for us. Surf and turf is on the menu. Nice. 3203.
Boomerang. A wine for king.
Alright, to start off, we got the
Caesar salad.
yeah. Like veggie soup, carrots, looks like squash, tomatoes, zucchini, all that good stuff. It's not bad, pretty good. Steak was very undercooked when it came out, so Lindsay ended up throwing it in the ocean. We didn't really want to be wasteful. The lobster was good.
It was good.
You have options. It's like either $100 on the beach, $350 or $450, I believe. It's like if you want champagne included.
Aged wine. It was like that.
Yeah, it raises the price by $200. But like I said, steak was very, very undercooked, so it had to go. The lobster was pretty good. Right now they're prepping dessert, which is cheesecake.